What it do, peoples? As y'all can see, I got a new one. Question is, do I want to add larger tires? I think I do. I almost know I do. I have some. And I want to know, wouldn't it be better with larger tires? So let's get a baseline. It's actually pretty decent. I can't say it's pretty decent. It's also bought, not built. I didn't build this rig. Someone else built this rig, and he did a pretty good job at it. I went to go buy a scale, ended up buying a scale and 4 rigs. It was crazy. But it is what it is. We got the baseline. Let's put the new tires on it and see what's what. All right, brain halted my process, but here it is, next day. Larger tires, brand new. Never been put on the ground, none of that. But we got our baseline yesterday. Let's see if it does any better with the larger tires. Much better, in my opinion. It's rubbing a little bit. But it's only rubbing a little bit. Pretty decent build here. I think I like these tires a lot better, actually. Yeah. I think I like these tires.